Understanding the science behind taste involves exploring the physiological processes by which the sense of taste enables humans to perceive flavors. Taste receptors. Taste perception begins with specialized sensory cells called taste receptors or gustatory cells, located primarily on the tongue and in the oral cavity. These receptors detect chemical compounds in food and beverages that elicit taste sensations. Taste sensations. The 5 primary taste sensations recognized by humans are sweet, sour, salty, bitter, and umami, savory. Each taste sensation corresponds to specific types of taste receptors on the tongue. Sweet, detected by receptors sensitive to sugars and carbohydrates. Sour, detected by receptors sensitive to acids. Salty, detected by receptors sensitive to sodium ions. Bitter, detected by receptors sensitive to alkaloids and other compounds. Umami, detected by receptors sensitive to amino acids, particularly glutamate. Taste bud structure. Taste buds are clusters of taste receptor cells embedded in papillae on the tongue and other parts of the mouth. Each taste bud contains multiple types of taste receptor cells that respond to different taste stimuli. Transmission of taste signals. When food particles dissolve in saliva, they interact with taste receptors on the tongue. This triggers a series of biochemical signals that are transmitted via sensory nerves, cranial nerves 7, X, and X, to the brainstem and then to higher brain regions for processing. Brain processing. Taste information is relayed to the gustatory cortex in the brain, located in the insula and frontal operculum. Here, neural circuits analyze taste signals, integrate them with other sensory information, such as smell and texture, and generate the perception of flavor. Role of smell and texture. While taste receptors detect basic taste qualities, perception of complex flavors, flavor perception, also involves olfactory, smell, receptors in the nasal cavity and tactile receptors in the mouth. Integration of taste, smell, and texture enhances the overall sensory experience of food. Individual variations. Sensitivity to different tastes can vary among individuals due to genetic factors, age, cultural influences, and previous exposure to certain flavors. Supertasters, for example, have heightened sensitivity to bitter tastes. Evolutionary perspective. Taste preferences evolved to guide dietary choices and ensure nutrient intake while avoiding potential toxins or spoiled food. Preference for sweet tastes may have signaled the presence of sugars, energy source, while aversion to bitter tastes could indicate potential toxicity. Clinical considerations. Disorders affecting taste perception, such as ageusia, loss of taste, or dysgeusia, distorted taste, can result from various factors, including infections, medications, or neurological conditions. Assessment of taste function is important in diagnosing and managing these disorders. Culinary and nutritional implications. Understanding the science behind taste influences culinary practices, food product development, and dietary recommendations. Balancing taste profiles, sweet, salty, sour, bitter, umami, enhances the palatability and nutritional value of foods, promoting healthier eating habits. Understanding the science behind taste provides insights into how sensory perceptions contribute to food enjoyment, dietary choices, and overall sensory experience. By deciphering the mechanisms of taste perception, researchers aim to enhance culinary experiences and address taste-related health conditions.